I greet one and all as the Rector of St. Stithians College. I'm standing at the site of our outdoor chapel. The words above me, "Be still and know." And across the field, our main chapel is in line of sight, with its beautiful stained glass windows, representing the light and the life of our college. It's the 24th of March, 2020. This is a significant date, as I will explain. You will see that the school behind me, our beautiful campus of welcome and wonder, is empty. That is because last week our President, Cyril Ramaphosa, declared a national disaster and our schools closed. We decided not to close the school, however. We closed on-site learning, and in a tremendous collaborative effort of our staff, our students and our parents, we have continued and made the transition into online and distance learning. As I stand in this place, this sacred place, with the words above me, "Be still and know," we think about our past, we think about our present, and we think about our future. Indeed, our present is a remarkably extraordinary time. We're in the midst of a national and global health crisis, COVID-19. So much so that last night, President Ramaphosa announced a national lockdown from this coming Thursday evening for 21 days. Our college executive has met, and we have applauded the efforts of our school to remain in business over the last week. We've taken the decision that we will continue with schooling till the end of our term on April the 9th. Our campus will shut firmly. However, we will continue with what we have begun, our online and distance learning. We will do so with the same determination to ensure an excellent education in these very difficult circumstances. It's in sacred places like the one where I stand that we think about our past, we think about our present and our future. Indeed, this is an extraordinary present that we're inhabiting, a moment of national and global health crisis that threatens to ravage our society. We are called to take decisive action as we face into the threat of COVID-19. As we do so, we think about the value of a school as a place of life, a place of growth and a place of learning, a place of wonderful youthful energy, of the dedication and care of adults amongst our staff and our parents. Schools indeed are an oasis of hope. As we enter the 21-day lockdown, I encourage us all to be prayerful, to take care of one another, to be safe, to be gentle, to be wise, to be stronger, one and all.